Hi, Douglas Simonson here, coming to you from Mexico with another painting demonstration video. Today I'm going to be doing a portrait. I find a lot of inspiration online, especially on Instagram. So many beautiful faces, and that's where I found the face that I'm going to be painting today. I don't know this guy, I just know that he's an athlete. So this is going to be a portrait of a young athlete. This is the photograph that I decided to work from. And here it is after I straightened it out in Photoshop. And here it is after I applied my usual Photoshop tweaks. As usual, I transferred the image to canvas with pencil, basically just drawing outlines around all the big shapes in the photo. Then I covered that with an acrylic wash. And while that was drying, I mixed the basic colors to start the painting. And that's where this time-lapse video begins. And that's the final painting. This was one of those paintings that came together in a single day. Everything just went perfectly. That almost never happens, but I love it when it does. This one is called Portrait of a Young Athlete, and it's on my website now at douglassimonson.com. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint. Please subscribe if you haven't already. That inspires me to do more videos. And if you got a little inspired watching me paint, go, put on your painting pants and go paint!